Today we're going to be learning about Punnett squares, which goes along with the Intermediate Science Curriculum Performance Indicator 2.2, which is to describe mechanisms related to the inheritance of some physical traits in offspring. Our objective is to use a Punnett square to determine the probability of a genotype occurring. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a 2x2 square, such as this one. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the parents' genotypes. So for both parent 1 and parent 2, they're both heterozygous for big B, little b. And the phenotype that we are taking a look at today would be fur color. And brown fur is the dominant allele, and yellow fur is the recessive allele. So brown fur is going to be notated by the big B, and yellow fur is going to be notated by the little b. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take our genotype from parent 1 and we're going to put it across the top like this. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take parent 2 and put it down the side like this. Now it doesn't matter if parent 1 is on the side and parent 2 is on the top, as long as you have one allele per box. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take a look at the alleles that are on the top and to the side of each box. So this is going to be box number 1, box number 2, box number 3, and box number 4. So for box number 1, we're going to take a look to the top and to the left, and we're going to get big B, big B. And for box number 2, we're going to take a look at the top and the left, and we're going to get big B, little b. And same thing for number 3, we're also going to get big B, little b. And for box number 4, we're going to take a look to the top and to the left, and we're going to get little b, little b. And now our objective was to determine the probability of a genotype occurring. So each box has a 25% chance of occurring. So for big B, it only occurs once, so that's going to be a 25% chance. But for big B, little b, you see it twice in box number 2 and box number 3, so you're going to add them together and you're going to get a 50% chance of being heterozygous. And for little b, you're going to have a 25% chance of occurrence.